catch yourself wishing for something or feeling unsure about what might happen? That's where the present subjunctive in Spanish comes in handy. Today, we'll be talking about the present subjunctive. Get ready to learn how to use it to add depth and clarity to your everyday Spanish conversations. And if mastering Spanish is your goal, why not schedule your first BaseLang class today? At BaseLang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native speaking teachers, all via Zoom. Try your first week for only $1. The link is in the description below. All right, before we start, let's clarify what the subjunctive is. In Spanish, we have three moods: indicative, imperative, and subjunctive. To help you understand, let me show you some examples of each. For the indicative mood, you might say, I eat pizza every Friday. Yo como pizza todos los viernes. In the imperative mood, you would say, eat the pizza now. Come la pizza ahora. And in the subjunctive mood, you'd say, I hope that you eat pizza with me tomorrow. Espero que comas pizza conmigo mañana. The subjunctive mood is used to talk about things that we're not sure of, such as wishes, doubts, and possibilities. There are several tenses within the subjunctive mood. The present subjunctive tense, which we're looking at today, is the most important one. Here's an example. I hope that you ace your exam. Espero que apruebes tu examen. In this sentence, you are saying that you want someone to pass an exam, but are unsure if they will. That's what the present subjunctive does. Now that you know what the present subjunctive is, let's take a look at some examples of it. I want you to come to the party. Quiero que vengas a la fiesta. Quiero, I want, is in the indicative mood. Que vengas, that you come, is in the present subjunctive mood. It's important that the receptionist speak Spanish. Es importante que la recepcionista hable español. Es importante, it's important, is in the indicative mood. Que la recepcionista hable, that the receptionist speak, is in the present subjunctive mood. Now, there are three common situations where you can use the present subjunctive. First is expressing your desire or wishes. For example, I hope that they arrive on time. Espero que ellos lleguen a tiempo. Second, expressing doubt or uncertainty. Example, I don't believe that that's true. No creo que eso sea verdad. And lastly, expressing your emotions. Example, I'm glad that you're here. Me alegra que estés aquí. Did you notice how each example includes que before the verb? This is a key part of using the subjunctive in Spanish. The word que signals that what follows is not a statement of fact, but rather a wish, doubt, or emotion. All right, so how do you conjugate verbs in the present subjunctive? It's simple. Here's how you do it. First, find the yo form of the verb in the present tense. Remove the O ending to get the subjunctive stem. Then you add the right verb endings to match whoever is doing the action. Let's start with the verb estudiar, to study. The yo form is estudio. So when we remove the O, we get estudi. If I'm talking to tú and I want to say I hope you study, I add the ending es to get espero que tú estudies. All right, here are the present subjunctive endings. For example, in the word comer, to eat, the conjugation is based on the yo form como. Then remove O from como to get com. Then add the appropriate ending. Yo coma, I eat. Tú comas, you eat. Él, ella, usted coma. He, she, you eat. Nosotros, nosotras comamos. We eat. Vosotros, vosotras comáis. You all eat. Ellos, ellas, ustedes coman. They eat. But wait, there's more. Irregular verbs like ser and estar have their own set of rules when it comes to conjugating them. Example, for ser, the subjunctive forms are yo sea, tú seas, él sea, nosotros seamos, vosotros seáis, ellos sean. These forms don't follow the usual conjugation rules, so it's important to memorize them. So there you have it, amigos y amigas. You've got a better understanding of the present subjunctive and how to conjugate verbs in this tense. For more Spanish lessons, visit baselang.com or check out the link in the description. You can sign up for just $1 for your first week and enjoy unlimited one-on-one sessions with native speakers. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.